Assalamu alaikum to all of you. I am Aksa Mariam and the topic I am going to present is deconstruction theory. Deconstruction theory. What is deconstruction? Deconstruction does not mean destroy, it means dismantle. Basically, this theory deals with text and its meaning. So, in deconstruction, we can deconstruct the text, dismantle the text, and generate multiple meanings from the text. This is called deconstruction. To generate multiple meaning by reading a text again and again. So, what is deconstruction? It is the act of breaking something down into its separate parts in order to understand its meaning, especially when this is different from how it was previously understood. When we read a text again and again, we generate multiple meaning from the text, which may be different from the writer point of view. Writer point of view may be one, but every reader takes his own concept and take multiple meaning from the text by reading the whole text again and again. This is called deconstruction. It is basically deconstruction theory is a philosophical and critical framework that emerged in the 20th century, primarily associated with the French philosopher Jacques Derrida. The theory seeks to challenge and question traditional structures of thoughts, and particularly in language and literary analysis. Basically, this theory was the revolutionary theory, and the major figure, Jacques Derrida, presented his idea in a revolutionary way, and influential ideas he presented. He actually discussed the relationship of language and its meaning. This is deconstruction theory. Origin of this theory. Martian Heidegger's use of the term deconstruction influenced Jacques Derrida, who drew inspiration from Heidegger's method but developed his own distinctive approach to textual analysis and interpretation. Derrida's deconstruction is a more complex that involves examining the relationship between text, meaning, and interpretation, often revealing contradictions and ambiguities within the text and discourses. Basically, the origin was based on that when Derrida get influence from the work of Martian Heidegger. The work of Martian Heidegger was deconstruction, but Derrida make his own term deconstruction, which was a complex term, and he developed the relationship of language, meaning, and text in deconstruction theory. This is all about the origin of deconstruction. Next is the main focus and general idea of the theory. The general idea of the theory is that deconstruct a given text structure of text and originate new hidden meaning from it. When a reader read a text multiple times, then he generate hidden meaning from the text. This is actually the main focus of the deconstruction theory. The next is an approach to understand the relationship between text and meaning by reading it again and again. Next is its main focus on reader, who reader perceive meaning from different. The main focus of this theory is on reader, because reader takes read the text multiple times, and every reader perceive the text in his own way and make the text meaning in his own sense. While writer meaning could be one, but reader takes multiple meaning from the text. This is the main idea and general principle of the theory. The next is the major figure of deconstruction. The major figures was Jacques Derrida. He was born in 1930 and he was died in 2006. He was actually a French philosopher best known for developing the philosophical approach called Deconstruction. He is considered one of the most influential philosophers of the 20th century because of his work and his revolutionary approaches and ideas he presented in deconstruction theory. Uh, the next is the difference between structuralism and deconstruction. Basically, deconstruction theory was the influential and the extension of post-structuralism, while post-structuralism was the extension of structuralism. So here are some differences between structuralism and deconstruction. While post-structuralism is mostly relates with the deconstruction, while structuralism has differences with deconstruction. Structuralism believe in fixed meaning, while deconstruction believes in multiple meanings. Structuralism believes that reader as a passive recipient of meaning. Deconstruction emphasizes the role of the reader in creating meaning. Okay. Structuralism जो है structuralism believes in binary opposition, while deconstructionist challenges binary opposition. Binary opposition is basically binary mean two and opposition mean opposites. Two opposite things, two opposite meaning, and two opposite words are called binary opposites. Structuralists believe that we can